Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting different ringtones for contacts on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Setting unique ringtones for different contacts means that you can tell who is calling you just by which ringtone you hear. This is a handy way to screen calls if you can't be looking at your phone all of the time. Open the Contacts app on your phone. Or you can open the phone app and go to the Contacts section at the bottom. Tap the contact that you would like to make a unique ringtone for. Tap the I button. Now tap More in the bottom right corner. Tap Change Ringtone / Vibration from the menu that appears. Then choose Ringtone. Scroll down and tap to choose a ringtone. If you would like to add a custom ringtone from your music, you can tap the plus in the top right and then choose your custom ringtone. You can set the ringtone volume at the top. Below the contact name now you can see the name of the unique ringtone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.